Hello everyone, today we are going to make tuna salad. This is a very easy recipe and as you will see there is absolutely no cooking required. So let's get started. The ingredients you will need are some canned tuna. I have about 8 ounces of tuna over here. Each can is about 4 ounces. No specific brand, you can get any brand you like. About 4 heapful spoons of mayo. You can get light mayo, I have used a regular mayo. A cup of colorful bell peppers, some chopped cilantro, 3 stalks of celery chopped small, a small red onion finely chopped, the green portion of the green onions chopped, and 2 green chilies finely chopped. Also, I have an optional ingredient, the tahini. It has chamoy in it, and the last ingredient, which is optional, is tahini sauce. This tahini sauce already has chamoy in it, and this is very optional. You get this in any Hispanic stores. I add this to my tuna salad just to give it a little bit of kick, but it's optional, so you don't have to use it. One other thing I would like to point out is the vegetables you use in this salad is very optional. Say you don't like onions, you can skip the onions altogether and add some other vegetables, or you can just use the vegetables over here, less, more, however you like based on your choice. So let's get started. You're going to start with the tuna. I use a fork because it's easy to get the tuna out of the cans. Next, the mayo. Red onions, chopped celery, chopped green onions, finely chopped green chilies, finely chopped cilantro, and the colorful peppers. We will first mix this and then we will add the tahini sauce later. Mix this all very well. Make sure you incorporate the mayo and the tuna, all the vegetables. This recipe does not require any salt. It has its own flavor without it. Okay, once it's all mixed properly, I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of tahini. And this is optional, like I said before. It gives it a nice kick to the salad, but you don't have to add this. You can eat the salad without the tahini. Once this is all mixed, the salad is ready to be eaten. This salad can be used as a finger food with crackers. You can make a sandwich out of it. You can use it in tacos. Very versatile. A lot of options how you're going to enjoy this. Like you see, it's a very colorful salad, delicious, healthy, and easy and quick to make. Okay, I hope you guys try this recipe and enjoy it. And as always, if there's any recipe you would like me to try and post a video on, let me know in the comments below. Provide feedback on this recipe too. Thank you for watching.